Kalispera kiris και κύριοι, a delicious, quick and easy pasta dish that you'll love. We begin with a pot, boiling water, add some olive oil so the pasta doesn't stick, 3 nice pinches of salt to season the pasta. Let's add the pasta now and give the pasta a really good stir. It says cooking time on the package around 10 to 11 minutes, and that's how long we're going to leave it. It's been 10 minutes, the pasta looks ready, so let's drain it and begin cooking our ingredients. We're going to use a non-stick pan, medium heat. Let's add some olive oil and then the garlic. Let's cook the garlic in the olive oil for a couple of seconds. We're going to begin with the white mushrooms first. We're going to cook the mushrooms until we see that they're nice golden brown. Now this is what we want, nice golden brown mushrooms. Let's add 2 nice good pinches of salt. Let's add now the bacon. We don't want a crisp and crunchy bacon. We want a soft and chewy bacon, so we're barely gonna cook it. Let's put in the broccoli now. We don't want to overcook our broccoli. We just want to cook it for a couple of seconds so we can keep it fresh and crunchy. And then we'll add the cooking cream. Let's add in the cooking cream and give everything a really good mix. Now that we added the cooking cream, if you like, you could add another pinch of salt. Now, let's toss in the pasta. And stir everything for around 20 to 30 seconds until you see that the pasta has soaked in most of the cooking cream. When you see that the pasta has soaked in most of the cooking cream, you are ready to serve. This pasta dish is for the whole family, quick, easy, and delicious. And like always, και καλή σας όρεξη.